In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design PI charts in Figma. Let's begin by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app. Create a fresh canvas so everything is clear and organized. From the toolbar, choose the Frame tool or press F on your keyboard. On the right panel, pick a desktop preset for a clean, standard-sized workspace. This gives you a consistent area to design and keeps alignment simple. Add a title so your file is immediately understandable. Select the text tool with T, click near the top of the frame, and type pie chart. Choose a readable font and size, and align it to the left or center, whatever matches your style guide. Now design the chart itself. Select the Ellipse tool, shortcut O, then hold Shift while dragging to draw a perfect circle. With the ellipse selected, set a fill color that works well with your background, and decide whether you want a stroke. To give your chart depth, open the Effects section and add a subtle drop shadow or layer blur. Keep effects light so they enhance rather than distract. To turn that circle into a slice, use the arc controls in the right panel. Adjust the start and end angles to represent the value you want. Say 25%, 40%, or any proportion from your data. You'll see the circle become a clean wedge. This is your first slice. Duplicate that slice with Command or Control-D. Change its color so it stands out from the first, then tweak the arc angles so it fits right after the previous slice. Repeat this process for each category until your chart adds up to 100%. If any slice overlaps oddly, use Bring to Front or Send to Back to fix the stacking order. Select all slices and center them within the frame for a polished look. Group them if you want to keep everything tidy. Add labels to make the chart informative. Use the text tool to type category names and percentages. Place labels near their slices, and if space is tight, draw short leader lines with the line tool to connect text to the correct wedge. Keep typography consistent. Same font family, limited weights, and clear hierarchy. Consider applying a small effect to the labels or lines only if it improves legibility. Finish by checking contrast, ensuring colors are distinguishable, and naming your layers clearly. With that, you've built a clean, flexible pie chart in Figma that's ready for presentations, dashboards, or handoff.